principal issue with packaging is not with the design. There's lots of great packaging design companies that you can work with, and likewise there's plenty of specialised packaging production companies too. The real challenge that you're likely to experience is being able to get a complete view of the packaging production process. This is especially true for brand owners with challenges like knowing how to manage all your brand assets, tackling compliance and logistics requirements, dealing with localizations and promotions, and ultimately understanding how packaging fits within the complete lifecycle of your product as one of the many elements of your successful go-to-market strategy. So why not remove these frustrations by connecting to a system that offers you full visibility of the packaging production process, enabling you to focus on innovating and speeding up your time to market? So let's take a look at the process to build some context. It typically starts with a product or brand manager requiring packaging for a new product. The packaging is intended to enhance the product's presentation. However, a high proportion of new product launches fail due to them not having the correct appeal. And this appeal itself is defined by the success or failure of how a customer engages with the packaging design. Marketing research groups conduct extensive testing, but the cost of getting this process right can often be exhaustive. So it's not uncommon for more high-risk approaches to be taken, which can lead to a product launch completely missing its target. However, the good news is that the cost and risk involved in this process can be significantly reduced with the 3D Experience platform that's available to you today. The platform can seamlessly connect new packaging ideas to powerful 3D packaging design tools which have been revolutionizing the packaging production process. These tools enable you to create full product data structures made up of 3D physical structures that can be released as real production data to your graphic designers, offering them the creative freedom to work with the same 3D imaging software to generate multiple graphic design concepts. These graphic designers, working on 2D assets, can also utilize the platform's integrations with industry standard 2D design packages too. The integrations enable your designers to access your managed brand assets, meaning that you can be confident the right graphics, regulatory content, legal information, marketing copy, and even fonts, to name a few, are used correctly across all printed media for your products. In the platform, you can combine your 3D and 2D elements to create photorealistic visualizations of your packaged products. These digital mock-ups can be shared with your project stakeholders early in the process using the platform's integrated collaboration tools, making it possible to gather all necessary feedback quickly and effectively. Using simulation tools, designers can also create holistic visualizations of not only the primary packaging but the secondary packaging too, meaning you're able to see how the product will look and fit on the shelf in a virtual retail environment defined by you, on a point of sale display, or even on the pallet. This gives you the benefit of being able to optimize the size of your product, primary and secondary packaging, helping you with your pallet layout and the way your containers are filled. This is how you can quickly find that sweet spot between sustainable packaging and cost savings by increasing the number of products you can ship. Now, one of the biggest frustrations linked to the packaging design process itself is that the approval cycles are far too long and cumbersome. The packaging development process itself is not transparent enough too, and complicated communications between all the involved parties can often bring in errors. Data entry duplication is another common bugbear. The root of these issues comes down to how most packaging teams work with traditional methods of communication, like telephone, email, and FTP. This way of working stifles innovation. It tends to add time to the process through the lack of visibility of critical path activities. It can also prove difficult to track the project status with all the different people and sources of information involved in its progress. You can avoid this pitfall with the 3D Experience platform's centralized project management and communication tools, enabling you to seamlessly connect all stakeholders to the process. So, if you're interested in making big gains in efficiency and giving yourself the edge to compete in an already extremely competitive marketplace, with more innovative packaging, faster time to market, and reduced costs, then why not get in contact with DesignRule to see how the 3D Experience platform could help you and your package production process today.